Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading photos and group chats on your PC. If your storage is getting cluttered or you just want more control over what gets saved, this setting will definitely help. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the main menu where you can find all your options. Next, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. After entering Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced option and click on it. Now, inside Advanced, you'll see different sections related to data and storage. Look for the section labeled In Groups and click on it. This is where Telegram controls what kind of media gets automatically downloaded when you're in group chats. Here's the important part. You'll see options for different types of media like photos, videos, and files. Find photos and simply disable it. This will stop Telegram from automatically downloading images sent in group chats. After turning it off, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, photos and group chats won't download automatically, giving you better control over your storage and data usage. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips to customize your Telegram experience.